How to avoid scams when rollover 401k into a Gold IRA. Rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA can help protect your retirement savings from inflation and market volatility. However, this opportunity also attracts scammers who prey on unsuspecting investors. To secure your investment, it's crucial to know the common scams and how to avoid them. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 simple ways to protect yourself. 1. Research the company first. Choose a Gold IRA provider that's registered with FINRA or the BBB. Read customer reviews and avoid firms with pushy sales tactics or vague fee details. 2. Don't believe unrealistic promises. Be cautious of any company that guarantees high returns or says gold prices will only go up. Gold can rise and fall like any other asset. 3. Know the fees. Ask for a full list of fees before you invest. Look for storage fees, custodial fees, and gold markups. Reputable companies will be transparent. 4. Use IRS-approved storage only. Gold in your IRA must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Home storage is not allowed and could lead to penalties. 5. Avoid home delivery scams. If a company says you can keep IRA gold at home without tax consequences, walk away. This is not allowed under IRS rules. 6. Check gold purity and authenticity. Only buy gold that meets IRS standards, at least 99.5% pure. Always ask for certificates proving the gold's purity and origin. 7. Watch out for pressure sales. Legitimate companies give you time to decide. Avoid anyone pushing limited time offers or using fear to pressure you. 8. Talk to an independent financial advisor. Get advice from someone who isn't connected to the Gold IRA company. They can help you decide if a Gold IRA is right for your goals. 9. Verify the storage facility. Make sure the storage facility is IRS approved. Ask for documentation like serial numbers and proof of insurance. 10. Read all documents carefully. Before signing anything, review the paperwork for hidden fees, strict buyback rules, or unclear storage terms. When in doubt, ask a lawyer or advisor to review it. Rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA can be a smart financial move, but only if done carefully. Stay informed, avoid pressure, and choose only trusted providers to protect your hard-earned savings. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.